All right, let's get to our email question of the week. And as you know, sometimes it's just a little easier to write a question than to call in with it. And we've got one from Brent this week. Now, y'all, let me just say this is Brent's language, not mine. Here's what it reads, Jim, for you. I was hurt in a car wreck. My insurance company is offering a settlement to pay my bills for now. That sounds pretty good. But if I need more treatment, will I be screwed? His words, not mine. How do they determine how much an injury is worth? I think Brent's really kind of getting onto something here, the future side of it.
He is. He is. And so, look, everybody, when you have a case, especially if it's a significant case, you really need to consult with an attorney about the specific facts of your case and what you think you may be entitled to. It's hard to answer that question in generalities. But here's sort of how it works in an overview fashion, okay? You're entitled generally in a collision or accident of any kind if someone is liable to recover your past and future lost wages that you've lost or may lose in the future, your medical expenses, and the expenses that you're likely to incur in the future. And so what's important to do is that you go to a doctor, get thoroughly treated, examined, and the doctor then gives an opinion as to whether he thinks you're going to have future medical expenses, and if so, how much. And if you have a doctor that says you're probably going to need those expenses, and he can say that with probability, then you're entitled to recover for those either by settlement or in a trial.
Gotcha. Dennis, do you ever run into that one, that question?
I sure do. The main thing that was said is always consult an attorney. It's not going to cost you anything in those type of cases. So there's nothing wrong with speaking to an attorney, getting their advice as to where you need to go, what you need to do to make sure you're fully covered, because it's kind of a battle out there with those insurance companies. They don't want to pay you, but you need to fight for what you earned and you're entitled to.
And it's tricky business. It really is, because we talk about this all the time, so I feel like I'm repeating myself. I probably am,
buddy.
But we need to, because it's important. If you have a serious injury, it's going to affect your ability to earn a living in the future. You need to get counsel. The insurance adjuster working on the other side has handled hundreds, or not, if not thousands, of cases like yours. You've probably never handled a case like this, and so you're at extreme disadvantage from the get-go. But look, consulting with an attorney, you do it in private. You talk to the attorney. If you don't want to proceed with the lawsuit, hire the attorney. You don't have to do it. So it doesn't cost you really anything but a little bit of time, but it's well spent.